LISUN is leader in lighting and electrical test instruments. Hello everyone, this is Daisy. Let me introduce to you the installation and use of the GDJS GDJW High and Low Temperature Humidity Chamber. The following is the video catalog. 1. Packing list. 2. Chamber introduction. 3. Operation steps. 4. Notes. Please check the packing list when you receive the shipment. The chamber and accessories are in one wooden box. Take out the test chamber carefully. The accessory box is placed inside the chamber. Accessories include rubber plug, spare water filter, spare heater, and spare solid-state relay. There is also a plastic bag in the package that contains a CD, calibrate certificates, and guarantee cards. There are user manual, operation video, and related standards in the CD. Touch screen. Power switch. Lighting switch. Open the front door of the chamber. There are several metal partitions inside. If you need to test many samples at the same time, you can place the partitions in the chamber and place the samples on the partitions. Here are the temperature sensor and humidity sensor. Refrigerant pressure gauge. The number of pressure gauges may differ depending on the size of the chamber and the temperature range. Connect the power cord to the right power source accordingly. If the test chamber you purchased includes humidity function, there are water inlet and outlet here. Connect the water inlet with water with at least 0.3 megapascals. Note, clean tap water is okay but pure water will be better. The water outlet is used to drain the water in the boiler. Keep this valve normally closed. This is the overflow port. Connect with hose to the sewer or some container. There is a sample power wires channel on the side of the chamber. If the sample needs to be on during the test, you can use a high temperature resistant power cord to connect to the sample through this channel. Then use the rubber plug to block the channel. Over temperature protection device. It used to set the upper temperature limit of the boiler in the test chamber. Turn on the chamber. Water will go into the boiler automatically. This is the boiler. You can only start the test when the water level is here and there is water is the boiler. Click here to enter the main menu. Click this icon to enter the parameter setting interface. Select the test mode here, programming test or fixed value test. If you choose the fixed value test, you can directly set the required temperature and humidity values on the monitoring interface. Click this icon to the monitoring interface. Click here to set the temperature. Click here to set the humidity. Click Start Stop directly to control the test. If you select Programming Test, return to the main menu and click this icon to enter the programming setting interface. Here is the saved program. You can click to modify it, or click New to add a program. Edit the name of the program here. Click to set the temperature, humidity, and test duration of each segment. No need to change TS1, TS2, TS3, TS4. Click page down if you need to set more segments. If you need to do cycle test, you can click cycle and other to set. Click start to start the test. The monitoring interface displays the current temperature and humidity values. The water filter needs to be replaced regularly according to the quality of the water. There is one spare filter in the package. You can also buy more filters in your local market. The filter can be replaced once the chamber is used for about 2 or 3 months. Even so, the heater in the boiler will age after the test chamber has been used for years. There are spare heaters in the package. Please also check the state of the refrigerant. We always add enough refrigerant before delivery. If the test chamber has been used for years, you can check the pressure gauge to confirm whether the refrigerant is still sufficient. If you need to add refrigerant, you can contact LISUN for help. Thanks for watching.